Going on, everybody? You know who it is. It's JJ back at it, like Addict No Rehab, because addicted to giving you guys all this advice and information you're gonna need to get that car of your dreams open. Yeah, today, it's Friday, so you go out to the dealer auction here out there in El Reno. It's the dealer and it's public auction. If you're public, $300 to enter. So I just got a little footage of that today, and I also was I was also on ACV. It's an online dealer auction, man. So I just thought it was like here locally at the auctions, but I mean, I was on the app yesterday, and man, cars was going expensive, man. It was one car. I'll post a picture after I finished talking. It was a 2003 Xterra, 43,000 miles on it. I mean, it looked nice, but it went for 7,200 bucks, man. That's just crazy. A 2003, because I mean, you still got to the fact it's a 2003. I mean, yeah, it's clean with 43,000 miles, but it's a 2003. Like, what are you going to sell it for? So, I mean, I don't know, but we'll get you to that picture and then to get you guys to the auction video. And go from there. Let you guys see how the auction was going, man. Cars are still expensive, and like I said, it's a public auction, so you have to compete with other dealers to buy cars, and you also have to compete with public people who's trying to buy a car for themselves. And then you also, it's because you have at the dealer and public auction, you have dealers, so you got to compete with other dealers, so you got to compete, retail dealers, wholesale dealers. Then you got to compete with people who's buying cars for themselves. And then you also got to compete with people who's there trying to buy cars and resell cars. So you got a little bit of competition. It's kind of why the prices, I feel like the prices is up at the moment, because everybody's trying to buy some cars right now and make the money, because buying and selling cars is a quick flip, but it's also a gamble. So, but yeah, let's get on to the rest of the footage, man. Let's get to it.
Now 16, now 50. Call it 1,700, now 50, now $1,800, now 19, now 2, now 1, 21, 2, $2,200, now 3, $2,300, anything 3 to buy 22, 23 to buy all this, $2,200, get 2,200 of it.
Toyota Camry, 130 on the miles, 2,200 bucks. Crazy. We're here at the auction. That's like one of the biggest challenges when you become a car dealer. One of the biggest challenges is just buying cars, because now everybody know, like, selling cars is profitable, but you can't win on every car, like I said in the last video. But that's the biggest challenge, is just buying cars. So that's like being a car dealer. That's your biggest challenge, is being able to buy the cars. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily say buying them, but just being able to buy them and make any money. Because the way this stuff is going, I don't know how these people are making any money. So, but yeah, we're here at the auction. Walk around, see what we got today. Dealer and public auction. We here every Friday, checking out the scenery. Working on getting me a car or two here and there. You know how it goes. Me, look at that nice looking Mustang. Look at that. See, not a Dodge fan, but if I was to get a Dodge, this is the only Dodge I probably get is the RT. Durango. I think it already ran through the auction. Somebody bidded on it, so I'm not gonna, get too much into it. Just gonna walk around. These drive so smooth, so. Not a big Dodge fan, but if I was to buy a Dodge, that's probably what I'll buy. But as you can see, a lot of people here today. It's a lot of people here. Not that many cars today, but it's a lot of people here. So, everybody here is not dealers. Like I said, it's a dealer and public auction. So, it's a lot of public here. So, it's a lot of public here buying cars. So, I don't know. I guess people got some money that I didn't know about. So. But hey, keep walking around, show you everything. We're missing the whole gap of cars. Got more cars back there, more and more cars. What's going on, man?
Hey buddy, how you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
We're here at Desert Food Run.
Yep. As you can see, influx of people today. Well, hey, you know, my objective is, you know, come out of here and just being able to get 1 or 2 cars maybe for a good deal. If I can get 1 for a good deal, that's fine with me, you know. Not looking to buy a ton of cars, you know. Give me 1 or 2 cars, that's my thing.
They want $950 on that motherfucker. I wasn't trying to pay that much for that son, bitch.
$950 for that old Honda?
Yeah, A4. 354,000 miles on it.
354,000 miles, they want $1,000?
Yeah.
Plus the fee, you're gonna be looking at like $1,200.
I ain't got to pay no fee.
Oh, you ain't gotta pay no fee. Well,
I'm gonna try to get the Zutton back in R23.
All right.
I give 550. Speed up, I give 550.
Yeah. I mean, as long as it run good, right?
Yeah. See, I got the one that I bit y'all, the other and I got it like it.
Yeah.
I paid $300, but I got it painted and everything. I had that front clip, got it painted and everything. Had to get the oil leak stop on it. Had to put a front seal and all. Pull the motor out, put the front seal in it.
Oh yeah, you had to do a little work to it, but hey, man.
Yeah. I got about 2,500 tied up in it.
Nothing wrong with that. I mean, as long as
Everybody else got a good body. But
yeah.
Then my stepson, he worked on them.
Oh.
If something go wrong, he just put me another motor in it.
yeah. Well, I need him to work on the car for me.
That's how he work on the Toyotas though.
Oh, he only work on Toyotas?
Yeah, Toyotas and Hondas. What kind you got?
No, I was my old school Camaro, also I was just working on.
Oh yeah, he work on them.
Okay.
Yeah, he work on Chevrolet, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you said Toyota and Honda, I was like,
Yeah.
man, you know.
You probably know him, Joe.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about, yeah. Yeah, I didn't know that was your son.
Yeah, that's my stepson, yeah, Joe, yeah.
Okay, I have to go.
Chevrolet? Yeah.
I have to go check him out then, have him work on my Camaro for me.
Yeah.
But I ain't nothing wrong with the motor or nothing like that.
He builds a damn motor.
Oh well.
He builds them. Him and Mo Money.
Yeah, I need to have him build me a motor then.
Yeah.
What's going on, Big Tom?
Same old thing, bud. How are you?
Good. The influx of people in there. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, and I was on the online auction as well, doing some bidding, and some of those cars are going very expensive, but I'll put them in this video. I'll put them here, and so y'all probably see them in some part of this video. That I'll put them like some of the cars that I've seen and what they were going for. Price was kind of ridiculous, but I mean, man, it might just be what, you know, prices might just be ridiculous right now. Nothing you can do about it, but yeah. Dealer in public auction, man. It's packed in here today. I don't like recording people's faces and stuff like that because I didn't get their consent to record, so I'll just record what I can. But let's on to the next. The market is going crazy today. This Buick, 03 Buick. Nice Buick though. 178 on the miles. But 2,200 for 03 Buick LeSabre, 178 on the miles, almost 200,000 miles. Got a little dent in the fender, but 2,200. And then the 2010 Corolla in front of it brought 1,200, but it's got 280,000 miles, which me, honestly, you know, 2010 Corolla, you know, still think it holds more value than 03 Buick LeSabre, but I mean 2,200, then you know plus the buyer fee, you're gonna have about 24, almost 2,500 in it. Then you know you're gonna have to bump out that fender because I mean if you already gave that much, you gotta make it look like that. But I mean once you had $2,500 on the 03 Buick LeSabre, I mean what you gonna sell it for? I mean I don't know, so I don't know. It's just the market right now. And everybody right now is trying to sell cars, so you know it's a lot of people trying to sell cars, so you got to compete with the people that's selling cars on the street, and you got to compete with also other dealers. So you know it's a little rough right now, but hey, you know you got to fight through it. You know get you a car too. Make you some money while you can. Keep the bills low, like I always tell you. Keep your overhead low, and you're gonna make it. You'll be all right, you know. But let's keep going. Talk to you guys a little bit more. Let's keep going. Yeah, so done with the auction. Was able to get one car. Was able to get a little Saturn. They ended up selling it to me. So I mean, fairly good deal. You know, have to get it back to my lot and drive it in. You know, but they're hauling it to my lot. You know, I don't really drive any cars back. I drive them when I'm at the auction, but you know, I'll get it back to my shop and drive it in depth and look it over more. But I got it for a good deal, so I can't complain. But you know, that was the only car I was able to get today. Like, the price was still high, but I appreciate all the love and support you guys have been showing me. If you guys have any questions, feel free to answer them. Message me on Instagram. I'm available. I'll get to you as quickly as possible. But if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bells, because I'll be dropping videos 6 days a week. So you know, you got a lot of info and advice is gonna come. Appreciate you guys. See you on